Video 6, Unit 5. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Today we are going to discuss from chapter Unit number 5, Health is Wealth. Some concepts that we will discuss in this lesson. Let's look at the objectives. Distinguish between be, do and have as main helping verbs. Identify the use of verbs be, do and have along with their negative forms as helping verbs. Use some strategies to gather ideas for writing such as brainstorming. And at the end, write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So let's start. Students, here you can see on the board be, do and have as main and helping verbs. First, you need to understand about the concept, the main verb, the subject that is performing that in action, that is called a main verb. And when we are using helping verb, you can see that verbs always use some kinds of forms that we are using in a given sentence. For example, you can see that be. Be is terms to that belonging next to is, am, are, was and were. Do, there are three forms of do, does and did we use in some sentences. Have, has, have and had. These are the forms of have that we are using in these sentences. Now, what is the rule of using be, do and have as when they are using as a helping verb and when they are using as a main verb? So let's discuss the rule. You can see that be, do and have as main helping verb when they are used with another verb. It means that that word be, do and have is always used with another verb. Then we use be and have and do as considered as helping verb. I'm again repeating that concept. Be, do, have. They are used as helping verb when they are used with another verb. Be, do, have are main verbs when they are used alone. No helping verb is used in this. So that verb as a main verb. Now use not with be, do and have when they are always used as helping verb in a negative sentence. Listen students, you need to memorize these rules whenever you are using these three main verbs as a main or a helping verb. Now let's start with the exercise that already given in your book, page number 52. I already have written these examples, students, in your on the board. Let's read. I am a student. I am a student. There is no helping verb link. There is no another verb link. This is just the main verb that is representing. I am a student. So this means this verb am is used as a main verb. Now he has a new bat. There is no helping verb. This means that has is working as a main verb. They do their work regularly. There is no helping verb in this. That verb is acting as a main verb. So this is a main verb. This do acting as a main verb. Now as helping verbs, you see that this am is linking with a verb, with another verb. I am reading a book. This is working as a helping verb. She did not eat. We already have discussed not used with always with a helping verb in a negative sentence. She did not eat mangoes. So this word did not is acting as a helping verb. They were going to the market. Here you can see that were is used with another form of verb. So this word is acting as a helping verb. So students, these are just a few examples of main verb and helping verb. Now, what you all need to do, let's solve this exercise that already given on your textbook, page number 52. Take the correct option for each underlined verb. Now you need to mark that either this verb is this word, or obviously the verb is acting as a main verb or a helping verb. Now let's start. They are not going for a walk. We already have discussed are not. Are is not is always coming with a verb, with an helping word, another verb. So this as acting as a helping verb. He did not put his elbows on the table. So did not put. It's acting as a helping verb. So this is the helping verb. I have a plan. I have a plan. This means that there is no any kind of helping verb. I have a plan, that have working as a main verb. She did her job well. This times did work as a main verb. He has gone to the school. He has gone to the school. You can see that this is kind of has as working as a main verb. They do not want a drink. This time do not working as a helping verb. So this is all the exercise that I have done in front of you. Now move to another important topic, that is punctuation. This is very important. Either punctuation, the rule of punctuation. Do you know the concept? What kinds of things that we are using in punctuations? We use as like exclamation mark. This is the sign of exclamation. This is the sign of apostrophe. And this small dot is a sign of full stop. So to students, we are now going to discuss about how we can use these punctuations whenever in a given, whenever a paragraph or when we are reading any kind of a text, and when someone is asked to use these punctuations in a given text. So you can see on page number 53, Faisal's book. Sometimes this apostrophe, exclamation mark, actually is always used to express your feelings or emotions, and this apostrophe is always used to indicate possession. So here in this book, in your given book on page number 53, Faisal's book. Faisal's book. This, you can see that apostrophe? Yes, it means that it shows possession. Faisal's book. Faisal own is book. Bird's nest. We use an apostrophe to show the possession, that bird's nest. Now move to that. Rewrite each phrase and sentence, punctuate it properly. Now all you know the concept about using, where we use exclamation mark, where we use apostrophe, and whenever we need to complete that sentence, we need to put a full stop. So we will use these sentences using the punctuation rule. So let's start. Here you can see that my father's car. How we can use? You know that always whenever you use a punctuation, don't forget to capitalize the things that is proper noun. That we already have a concept about proper nouns, and proper nouns are always be in a capital letter. First, you know that the main first capital letter, first word is always a capital letter in a given sentence. So my, M capital, Y. Now fathers, what we need to use that? Father's car, showing possession, we use apostrophe. Father, use apostrophe and then S, and then car and then a full stop. My father's car. Now move to then a children's story. First, we know that the first letter is always be a capital one. A children's, it's a possession form, so we need to put a apostrophe, a children's story and a full stop. Now move to the third one. Hurrah! We have won the match. What kind of a sound is that one? Sound gives you like a sound of excitement. Yes, we use hurrah as a kind of an excitement feeling. So we use an exclamation mark. Hurrah! We need an put an exclamation mark here, and then we have won the match and a full stop. Now you can see another one. Thank you so much. What kind of a this? This is obviously a feeling of contentment, a feeling, thank you feeling to other one. So what? That is a positive feeling. Thank you so much. So what we need to put an exclamation mark. Thank you so much. A exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. Now move to I am not making lunch. Giving a sound of like giving a sense of like possession, that I am not making the lunch. And you see that the first letter is in a small one, so we need to capital first. I is a capital form. Am, then you need to put a apostrophe using the rule of possession. I am not making lunch and a full stop. So students, this is the rule whenever you're using punctuation in a given text. You need to memorize where we use putting the accurate punctuation. So we have discussed 3 basic rules of punctuation in this lesson, using the sign where we use exclamation mark, where we use a full stop, and where we use a apostrophe. Now move to the last objective of this lesson. Let's move to that. Look at the given pictures. What good manners does the boy have? Write them down. And you also, that one, there are pictures is shown in your book, page number 54. You need to write these pictures in your own words. You need to explain these pictures in your own words. Let's erase this one in a given form. Like you can see that one. You can use this, taking the pictures. In first picture, you can see that what this boy is doing. Yes, think about that. A good child. Actually, we are making a mind map, and then we use this mind map and that helps us in writing a paragraph. Okay. Yes. What picture? First picture. What it shows? Yes. Think about it. Washing. Wash hands. Wash hands regularly. Very good. This is a good manner. The second one in picture. What is this? Yes. Brush his teeth every morning. Brush teeth every morning. So this is a good manner or a bad manner to wash your teeth regularly in the morning? Yes, it's a good manner. Now look at the picture number 3. Takes bath daily. Takes bath daily. Because it helps you maintain your hygiene. It gives you healthy one. It makes you healthy one. Now look at this. In the fourth one picture, you can see that the boy is trimming his nails. Yes, trim nails regularly or weekly. It's very important to clean your personal hygiene. Now look at picture number 5. You can see this. A boy is sitting on his writing table and doing some work. Yes, he's doing his homework. So it's a very good sign, and a good child always do his homework regularly. So do his homework regularly. Now look at the final picture. The boy is presenting some glass of water to someone. Yes. What he shows? Yes. Respect his parents. Yes. Respect his parents. So students, this is the mind map. Using this mind map, this shows depicting a good child mannerism and behavior, how he behave in his daily life, and what are the qualities that make that child a good one. So in this book, you can see that now write a paragraph about how you use these manners every day in your notebook. Now it's your task, all of you take this in your mind and then write how you are using these manners in your daily life. So this is a task for you. Everyone try to make its own one, write it your own one, and how you are implementing these manners in your daily life. I hope this lesson will be quite helpful for you. This is all about the ending of this lesson. And here we discussed about many concepts today, the use of the main and the helping verbs. Then we will discuss about the major forms of punctuation, and then we discussed about how we use the writing whenever we use the mannerism or something, any kind of thing, how we built up a mind map, and then we use this mind map in writing any paragraph. So this is a creative writing practice. So this is all about. Thank you very much. I hope you find a lot of information from this. If you find any difficulty, consult your parent or teacher. Thank you very much. कितने की बनी?